you know, it's easy to get out of control with your driving on the foot pedal and the sewing machine. Tony's measuring my strip for me. And you occasionally might do a little wobble. So it's really important that you press well. And so that's when I use my Acorn Easy Press pen. And first, the process that I did for you already before I came on air was that I set my seams, which means just giving a little bit of heat to your seam. Let it rest for a few seconds. This allows your threads to kind of marry, sink in with the fabric. When you push it back, I love my Acorn Easy Press pen. It has this little nib in it. They're replaceable. I actually just put a fresh one in today. It got pretty like worn down and grubby. I use it a lot. And this again is a non-toxic starch substitute. And I just press that in my seam. And I really take my time when I'm pressing borders. Don't be pulling on them. Don't be pushing with your iron. That's called ironing, and we're doing pressing. That's another thing that can make your borders start to look a little wobbly, is if you're tugging and pulling on them, especially when we're doing like queen size quilts like this. You're dealing with a lot of fabric. And so that's it. You want to have it nice and flat.